Hello, we're going to do some phonics again today. So last week we learned two new sounds. Can you remember what they were? Let's start with this one. S. Now let's listen to the song.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
The other sound we learned last week was this sound. Can you remember this one? That's right, it's ah, ah. Let's listen to the song for this sound.
Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Today we're going to learn the new sound. This is the sound we are learning. It is t, t, t. I want you to see if you can learn the new song for t.
When I watch a tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
For the next game, I'm going to show you some pictures. I want you to see if the word begins with the sound s, a, or t. You can shout it out. If you want to do an extra activity, why don't you have a look around your house and see if you can find some things beginning with the sounds s, a and t. Have fun!